New records will often arrive with a static charge. Let's check our newly received copy of Trick of the Tail with an electrostatic meter to see if it has arrived with a static charge. Record Restore is simultaneously removing all contaminants, dust, dirt, production residues, binder substances, and at the same time eliminating static and creating a lifetime protection. That's right, no more static. Watch as I try to create a static charge on this restored record. Record Restore is unique in its ability to bring old records back to life, while at the same time stopping static electricity. Buy Record Restore at secretchordanalog.au and get more from the music you love.